Okay, Don. Just say a couple of smart words.
Say a couple of smart words.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck to us.
Yeah. Going down to Ponce.
It's smart to
Lighthouse.
Good luck.
Both yard to make Grace pretty.
To work our butts off.
That's okay. Alright, baby. This is awesome. We haven't done this in what, 3.5 months or so? More. Since February. Almost 5 months. Actually 5 months. So I really miss this whole excitement thing. Just got out of the marina without problems. Don't handle it well as always. That's my baby. Just excited. Hope everything go fine. It's noon. Wednesday, the July 25th. South Daytona and Daytona Shores. We are on the way to Ponce. Gorgeous day. We are arriving at Ponce Inlet. That is Inlet Harbor Restaurant and Bar. It's the anchorage area. The water is beautiful, blue and green. There's a sailboat anchored. It's really nice and clear here. There is the lighthouse.
What's up? Oh. Somehow seem like an attractive photo.
It's not a photo.
What?
It's not a photo.
Video, whatever.
Yeah. Don't step again in a working race mode. Look at you, how dirty you are. You did a good job on that side.
I think so. We'll see.
What's next?
Starboard side.
Hi, Mr. Steph. What you doing?
Oh, trying to pretty up Miss Gracie here from where she was beaten on the dock in Yorktown.
Yeah, that's not good looking.
Nah, you won't know it in a little bit.
That's good. So, Saturday afternoon, we done sanding, we done epoxy filling and stuff like that. So, Miss Gracie is watertight, pretty much. Later on, we'll do a little more sanding and then wipe her down and paint. Pretty cool. What does that mean? You're further out than I am.
Babe, I got a third of this section covered.
How you liking your color?
I love it. I like it better than the other one.
Me too. It's kind of neat to have a darker hull, right?
Yeah.
Although you see more blemishes on darker hull than on lighter hull.
See more what?
You know, more uneven stuff.
Yeah, but you know, there's so little of this out of the water.
That's true. Looks good. Got a little shine to her now. Just a little bit.
This bottom phase, does it have any kind of gloss classification, or it's just bottom? Thank God you're done working your ass off.
Which step is that?
The what? Thank God you're done?
Uh-huh.
That's the third step. First, get ready to work your ass off. Second, work your ass off. And third, be glad you're done working your ass off.
Yeah.
Only 3 steps to painting a boat.
Oh, she looks really nice.
45-foot boat. Oh, yeah.
And
Baby is big. Big girl.
bigger and better.
Watch. I get a lot smaller, don't I?
Yes, you do. Yeah.
You go.
Where I go?
I just think she looks great.
Yeah, good.
And getting better. Love you, babe.
Standing in the sun. Move a couple of feet over here.
You ask the sun to move it.
I've been asking to be behind the clouds all day. Not work.
While you're at it, ask the boat to feed it.
Grace, paint yourself. She said no.